Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing really well today. We are going to be making Florence Nightingale the Royal Red Cross. So this is what our finished product looks like. So if you remember, Queen Victoria awarded Florence Nightingale the Royal Red Cross for all her hard work during the Crimean War. Okay, so we're going to have a go at making one of these crafts today, and it's actually quite simple. So all you'll need is a plain piece of paper. Okay, so here's a plain piece of paper. You won't need to use all of it, so maybe like half a plain piece of A4 paper, some sellotape or glue if you have some, scissors, some foil to help make the shiny bit for the medal, okay, a red colouring pencil, a blue colouring pencil, a pen or pencil to help you with your measurements when you're using your ruler, okay. So scissors, sellotape or glue, foil, just a small bit of foil, look, I don't have that much, okay, colouring pencils, red, blue colouring pencils, a pen or pencil and a ruler. So I'll give you 1 minute to pause the video and go and get those items. Okay, welcome back everybody. So the first step we're going to do to make our Royal Red Cross is to draw a cross. So that's why as well in maths it's really important we learn our shapes. Okay, so this is what a cross looks like. So if you forget that little silver bit in the middle, you might see on hospitals the red cross or green cross. Yeah, so on your A4 bit of paper you are going to draw your cross. So remember, it shouldn't be bigger than A4, should be about half that size. Okay, but I made a really small one. Okay, so that's my cross that I've already drawn out for us using my pen or pencil. Next, I'm going to get some scissors. Okay, so it's really easy. I'll give you a little tip here. It's really easy to cut out the cross because I know some of you are struggling with your Tudor houses last time. But it's really easy to cut out the cross if you cut a square box around it, okay? And then you just cut out these little bits that you don't want, okay? So that's one edge. Okay. There we go. And take your time with this because obviously you don't want to cut yourself, but you don't want to mess up your cross either. Okay. And then okay. So there we go, there's my cross. Okay. Then what I'm going to do is just clear my working space so you can all see, and I'm going to colour in my cross red. So I'm just going to use my red colouring pencil to lightly colour in my cross. Okay. So colouring it in with me. Fantastic. And just take your time with this, make sure you're just getting all the corners, okay, so it looks nice and bright and red. Okay, I'm going to do this side, so okay, and be very careful as well when you're touching your cross because it's quite delicate paper at times, so you don't want it to rip or anything, so just touch it gently but enough so that you can get the colour on, okay? Right, and then last little bit. Okay, just making sure it's really red. Fantastic. Okay, so that's my red cross. Okay, next what we're going to make is the long strip here. So we're going to use our A4 piece of paper again and just cut out a small rectangle. Okay, so I've already cut mine out. So this is what mine looks like, and I've drawn the lines on already using my ruler. So let me just move that there. So what I did was I cut a rectangle out of the square, out of the A4 paper, and then using my ruler and pen or pencil, it's probably better if you've got a pencil, okay, I drew a line straight down one strip, and then I did it again on the other side. Okay, so what's left now is to colour in this bit. So we've got the middle bit's blue, so I'm going to colour in our middle bit. Okay, because that's what our Royal Red Cross looks like. Okay, so I've just roughly coloured it in, but you guys can take a bit more time and care with it. And then the sides are going to be red. Okay, so the blue's in the middle, and then reds are on the other two sides of the blue. Okay, so I'm going to colour the other parts in red. Being very careful so I don't get it all over the table. Oh. Okay. Right, so I've just lightly coloured in mine, so again you guys can take a bit more time on it. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to sellotape my red cross onto my rectangle, yeah, using my little bit of sellotape. So you only need, or glue, if you've got glue, that's even better, okay? But you only, if you've got sellotape like me, you only need to use just a tiny amount, okay? So if you, I don't know if you can see that, it's quite clear, but just a little tiny amount, so I can just put it across like so. Okay, so I'm going to put it on the back because I don't want it on the front, because I want the front to look nice and pretty for all of you. Okay, there we go. So next what we're going to do is we're going to make the shiny bit. So we're going to grab a little bit of foil. Okay, so here's my little bit of foil, and I don't need too much. I can just break this again in half maybe. Okay, and then I'm just going to mould it until I make like a little circle, like how I've done it here. Okay, so I'm just going to keep bending and fiddling, try and make it into a nice little circle. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect, guys, so don't worry, this is just all a bit of fun. But if your circle does look perfect, then well done to you. Okay, so, and you can always check as well. You can think, oh, okay, that kind of fits my red cross. That'll probably do it. So I'm going to get my other piece of sellotape, and again using just a tiny amount. Okay, I'm just going to sellotape it across so that it stays on. Okay, and I might use another bit just to make it stick stronger. Okay, and obviously you want to try and get it in the middle as much as you can. Right, there we go. And then what's left to do now then is just to write the different words and numbers onto your Royal Red Cross. So the first one in the top, it says faith. Okay, so faith. So, oh, there we go. F-A-I-T-H. Okay, and this one is charity. So we're going to write charity. So C-H-R-I-T-Y. Okay, then the bottom says 1883, so that's the year Queen Victoria gave Florence Nightingale the Royal Red Cross. Okay, so we're going to write 1883, and over here we've got the word hope. Okay, because Florence Nightingale never gave up hope when she was helping soldiers during the Crimean War, and when she was campaigning for better hospital conditions during the 1800s and 1900s too. Okay guys, so that's our Royal Red Cross done. I hope you enjoy making that, and I can't wait to see you all next time. Bye bye.